Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Healow app on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really simple and easy. Now the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have your strong Wi-Fi connection, and once you have checked that, all you gotta do is open up your app store. And once you open up your app store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on search, here all you gotta do is enter in Healow and then tap on search. And once you do that, all you gotta do is search for it, and then you'll be getting or seeing the app like this. All you gotta do is tap on it and then tap on get. Then all you gotta do is enter in your Face ID or enter in your password to confirm the download, and that's basically how to download Healow app on iPhone. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.